Welcome back, Math Marbles. It's time for a brand new unit on systems of equations. In this first lesson, we're going to work on graphing linear equations. So watch as I model. Look out for how I identify coordinates for the y-intercept when given an equation in slope-intercept form, how I identify the slope in that equation, and how I can graph a line using just two sets of ordered pairs. Let's use what we already know about slope-intercept form in order to graph this line. And we know that the expression y equals mx plus b. We know our m is our slope. And we know b represents our y-intercept, or 0b. So given this information, I can take this equation, which is already in slope-intercept form, y equals 3x minus 2, and I can create a line. Watch. All I need is really 1 point and a slope. So I know my slope is equal to 3 over 1. And I know my y-intercept is equal to 0, negative 2. So I'm going to graph 0, negative 2. Here it is. And I'm going to use slope to find another point. So 3, 1 just means I'm going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and over 1. And I can add one more point going up 1, 2, 3, and over 1. And now I have enough information where I can graph a line. There we go. So that's all I need, Math Marvels. As long as I have an equation in slope-intercept form, I'm guaranteed 1 point, and I can use the slope to graph at least one more point. And once I have 2 points, I can create a line. So hit pause and jot this down into your notes. Let's try with this equation. Again, it's written in slope-intercept form. So my slope is negative 2/3 x, and I have a plus 4. So I already know my intercept, my first point, is 0, 4. There's my intercept. And I know my slope is down 2 over 3. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to go down 2, 1, 2, and over 3, 1, 2, 3. And there's my next point. And I can do the same thing again. Down 2, 1, 2, and over 3, 1, 2, 3. Down 2, 1, 2, over 3, 1, 2, 3. Even if I wanted to go the other way to the left, I would just do the opposite. Up 2, over 3. Up 2, over 3. And all my points come together. And there we have it. So again, as long as you have an equation in y equals mx plus b form, I can find my y-intercept, that's 1 point, and I can use my slope to make as many additional points as I would like. Hit pause, jot this down in your notes, and you're going to get the same practice in your class time.